Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to log into Bigo Live from your Facebook. If you'd like to log into your Bigo Live account with your Facebook account, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap Open your Bigo Live application from your app drawer. Soon after you end up in the first interface of Bigo Live, you can see that there is a text box where you can type in your phone number and log into your account. But if you'd like to log in with the Facebook option, then at the bottom there is a Facebook icon displayed. Simply tap it on. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account as well in the same device. And now it says that Bigo Live will receive the following information from your Facebook profile. That is your name, your profile picture, email address, and friend list. Tap on Continue as your Facebook at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds, and just like that, you'll be logged into your account. If you're not logged into your Facebook account, then you'll need to type in your Facebook account's credential to log in. That is quite simple. All you need to do is tap on the Facebook option in order to log into your Bigo Live account from Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.